Lesson 7 of Literary Devices. Remember, literary devices are the terms we need to know and understand in order to be able to discuss and analyze literature. So let's review what we've already done in our lessons on literary devices. First, we looked at the plot of the American short story. Then we touched on conflicts, internal and external. Next, we looked at the timing of the story. We talked about flashbacks, flash forwards, and foreshadowing. Fourth, we looked at the feeling of a story, and we talked about what makes the mood, the atmosphere, the setting, the tone, the diction. All those terms applied there. Then last week we went on and looked at characterization, how an author creates a character in a story, different terms that apply to characters and different types of characters. And then we ended up with point of view last week, and we looked at omniscient point of view, first person point of view, and third person limited point of view. Today, for Roman numeral 7, we are going to look at themes. And we have 5 terms that you need to know and understand in relationship to themes. The first is the subject of a piece of literature. A subject would be the topic of the work of literature. A subject can usually be stated in a single word or phrase, such as love, war, childhood, growing up, or aging. Next, we have themes, and the theme is the general idea or insight about human life that a work of literature reveals. And themes can best be stated in one or more sentences. A theme on a subject of love might be, true love survives all obstacles. A theme on the subject of war might be, war destroys the good along with the bad. Our third term is generalizations. A generalization is a broad statement that applies to many individuals, experiences, situations, or observations. A generalization is a kind of conclusion that is drawn after considering as many facts as possible. Themes are expressed as generalizations. Then we have genre, which is different forms of literature. We have short stories, we have novels, we have plays, and we have poems. Then our last term that we need to understand is the term universal themes. Universal themes are those that can be found in literature from all different time periods, all different countries, and all different cultures. Universal themes cross genres as well as national boundaries, language, customs, and historical periods. An example of a universal theme could be a hero often must sacrifice something precious in order to reach a goal. A universal theme might relate to the love that a father has for his children. So universal themes could apply to somebody from 1,000 years ago on the other side of the world as much as they would to people in England 200 years ago or us in the United States here today. Our 7th Roman numeral on literary devices is themes, and we looked at subject, we looked at themes, we looked at generalizations, we looked at genres, and then at universal themes. So go ahead and complete your note verification, check it, learn from your mistakes, and bring any questions you have into class.